one last detail.
What? Oh.
Go get him.
I will.
Hello.
Hi.
Well, it's just me here today. All the girls have absconded.
Really? What did you do to them?
No, nothing. It was their schedules that took them away.
Thank God it was nothing serious. Although you don't look like you could even hurt a fly.
Oh, that is so nice to know. Now tell me, how can I be of service to you?
Sorry I don't have an appointment, but I just had a brainwave and I wanted to run it by Amma. It's on my rebranding.
Well, I am here. You can run it by me. I know I'm the expert in that area, but trust me, I have some good ideas.
Oh, you are too kind and modest. So it's...
Come with me.
Okay. So where has Amma gone to? Oh, intrusive, I know. I can't help myself. I just keep asking questions all the time.
Well, that's okay. I actually see that as a mark of an intelligent person. Emma's gone to the help station to do some follow-up on some clients' work.
I should have known. That woman is an angel. I hope you are taking good care of her.
I try.
I don't doubt that.
Now to my favorite, the case of Mama Sweet.
I've been waiting for this.
Her numbers are super. She doesn't need a loan. All she needs to do is to switch up credit with her suppliers.
What are you saying?
Well, I've taken a thorough look at her cash flow via her WhatsApp records. By the way, that's a very smart use of WhatsApp. What better accounting? Okay, so on an average, her revenue is about 2,000 Ghana cedis. Out of that, 500 Ghana cedis is a profit.
Wow. That's stupendous. I'm in the wrong career. I must sell watching. That's amazing.
It can be very lucrative if handled well. Mama Sweet's problem is that she credits goods whose prices fluctuate and instead pays cash for goods whose prices are stable across board.
In a layman's language, explain further, please.
Okay, you said she needed the money to be able to purchase rice in bulk from the north, right? At almost half price? Okay. And yet, she pays cash for cooking oil, tomato paste, carrier bags, packaging, etc., whose prices remain the same everywhere, and instead credits rice whose prices fluctuate in the market. What she needs to do is to buy on credit the oil, etc., etc., and then save that money to be able to buy rice in bulk.
Brilliant. You mean she should use the money she would have used to buy oil and the rest as her capital to purchase rice?
Exactly. That's a double whammy. So what she needs to do is to negotiate her credit lines with those who supply her with the oil and the rest.
She gets credits for the things whose prices are stable on the market anyway. and then frees money to buy rice and beans. You're a magician.
That's what I've been trained to do. Sometimes, as a business, if you need money, all you need to do is to look inward. You'll be surprised what you find. Sometimes you just need to cut costs after a careful assessment of your projects to free money. Other times, all you need to do is to switch things up, like in the case of Mama Sweet. You don't need to go for a loan first. It could be an additional cost and you may not need it.
Succinct. Very well explained. Thank you very much. So now you have to get ready to analyze, more wachi sellers, kinky sellers, granite and banana sellers, and the like. Mama Sweet is my pilot, or should I say my case study. And I intend to replicate this across the group. Can you imagine the impact it will make out there? And the lives we will change for the better? Amazing.
That's my girl. I like your passion and your zeal. Then don't forget, the help station is always here for you.
That's what I wanted to hear. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. I'm so happy I came today. Thank you. So I guess we're done? Yes.
You know what? I love the design, but I'm thinking a dash of red.
It will add some zing to it.
Oh, definitely. Oh, it also evokes passion, fire, and more, Are you feeling the heat?
Yeah, it's definitely getting hot in here. You know what? You have some great ideas here. I think you should totally wrap it up with Amma.
Oh, yeah. It looks like it will be fun to wrap it up with you, though.
Kokui, here you go. And as soon as gets here,
Perhaps some other time. When you are free, I will also be free.
Hello, Mama Sweet.
My son, you haven't made the order, and it's lunchtime already.
I forgot.
You have to eat.
I know. I'll have the usual.
Okay, then I'll go.
You know, Kokui, she has a shop just down the street.
Who doesn't know Mama Sweet in this neighborhood? Her watch fits all of us.
My daughter, you are far away from your shop.
Oh, Mama. I came to see Amma, but she's not in.
I will tell her that you stopped by.
Please do. It was a pleasure, as always.
I think I'll also take my leave now.
Yes, ma, don't forget my watch. I'll be waiting.
I won't forget.
Yes. Amma has also gone to the health station to work on your thing.
Yes. She told me yesterday. Oh, thank her for me, eh?
I will.
Oh.
I will.
My son, do you know you are blessed?
God has been good.
2 smart people. Intelligent, humble, working together, running a business to help people.
Thank you.
You have earned it. You have earned it. But there are things. So beware. You see, when your sun shines brightly, there are people that trust people from everywhere to it. The good and the bad. So be careful, my son. Be careful, eh?
Thank you for the advice.
Okay. God bless you, eh? And take care.
Don't forget
It will come right. right now.
Everybody plan to run business. Research it there for ICT. Oh yes, it go make your yield plenty, not less. Prosperity, no poverty.
Hey, you. Where have you been?
I've been waiting for the past 30 minutes.
Hey, sorry, I forgot. Sorry.
You forgot that you have a very important meeting with your favorite fabric supplier?
Kwame, I said I'm sorry. Hey, why are you looking at me like that? Okay.
Are you okay?
Thank you.
So tell me, where are you from? You look flustered and flushed. Are you okay? Tell me, out with it. What are you trying to hide?
I went to see Kofi solutions.
What does that mean? I thought it's the woman you've been dealing with. Tell me.
I don't want to spoil someone's marriage.
Wait. What's that supposed to mean?
Blessed are those who find wisdom, those who gain understanding. The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge, but fools despise wisdom and instruction.
You mean that man touched your breast? Also wear nufu?
Cool it, Miranda. I said he only attempted. He didn't touch me. You like that too much. You see why I didn't want to tell you. You make mountain out of anthills.
You see? There's more to it. The way you are making yourself no. You enjoyed it?
God forbid. Stop what you are doing here. But on a more serious note, the man is very unhappy.
Me too.
If I start telling you the things he told me, you will be shocked. She doesn't allow him to touch her. She doesn't allow him to...
Impossible. That's fine, Bobo. Hey, who would have thought? Wait. Do you know what? If it wasn't you telling me this, there's no way I would have ever believed it. But those two they look so perfect together.
All that glitters is not good, my dear. Don't be fooled.
Hey! Some people don't know what they've got to. So what do we do?
Now that's my problem. I don't know what to do. A part of me says to tell her, and another part says to either let it go.
Sacrilege. We can't tell her, you know? He confided in you, that is why he told you.
Yeah, I know. He seemed so lost. You know, I was surprised he opened up to me so readily.
Right.
Just flowed.
Sister.
Solutions.
1,000. How are you doing? I've missed you too.
Everything is kosher, dear. Oh, except Kokui. She wouldn't stop worrying. She's been calling by the hour trying to find out if everything is okay.
Same here. She's been bugging me with messages. This woman is too conscientious. She wants to enjoy her holiday in peace.
We are very lucky to have her. She's such an amazing sense of duty. Well, Mrs. Gunner, how was your day?
Oh, very fulfilling.
Really?
The health station has given a clean bill of health to most of my projects. And what excites me most is Mama's sweets.
Oh, yeah?
I'm so excited.
Tell me about it.
Oh, let's go. I'll tell you more. Yeah. So from analysis, she doesn't need a loan after all because she generates a lot of cash. So all she has to do is save up and then buy the rice in bulk. All the other ingredients she can buy from the market, which is cheaper anyway.
That's smart. That's smart.
Oh, thanks to Belinda. I can tell you've seen some clients. A woman inclusive. Gosh, the perfume. Awful. Oh.
Maybe I was attacked.
Attacked? What happened?
Come here.
Are you okay?
Sit down.
What happened?
Look, it's action time. We have to go there and show her. Me, I've been waiting for this moment. The very day we went there, I didn't like her. Do you see how she was all over the man,
Miranda.
touching him? For Christ's sake, we are customers, we are clients. You can't be all over your man. It's not the time to love you shit. Let's go there.
No.
Let's go and show her.
No. I don't think that's a good idea. We'll just stay up trouble. I don't want that. Come on. Think of something else. I don't want that.
Come on, Kokui. What is life without some spunk? Let's go and stir her up. Let's deflate her. Look, do you see how she was throwing her weight about like some goddess? Kokoti sana, not sin giver.
Hey, sister. No, but why let her suffer for the husband's indiscretion? She wasn't there when he tried to touch me, was she? No, think about something else. This idea, there.
And the two shall become one. Remember?
Hey, Miranda.
Yes.
You are wicked. Hey. Oh, no.
Come on, girl. Let's go and have some fun.
Yeah. Only money.
Hello? Excuse me. That wasn't nice. You just dropped the food on the table.
Sorry.
Mommy.
I'm sorry. Oh, sister, Pacho. I'll bring you another plate. Sorry. I'm sorry. Oh, me Pacho, why? Me Pacho, me bro, fufu, sesia, why? Pacho. I'm so sorry. I've added extra meat for you, please. I always take care of you.
Sweet, man.
You know now. Sister, enjoy your meal. Why? You. That's why. Mawenya will first, and I will last.
Yes, ma'am.
What did I tell you when I took you on?
Hard work and service.
Exactly. So, want to me share customer. When you say almost can I meet you amka? If you can't take care of them, serve them, you have no place here. Then want to me you
I'm sorry, ma'am.
As I said, last chance me. Now, get there and go and apologize. And then ask if there's something else they need. Masa.
I'm sorry for earlier.
That's all right.
Please, anything else?
Can you get me some of the nice so below?
Okay, come here, sir.
You have a nice smile.
Thank you. Digital address. That's great.
Now I'm global. Everybody can reach me from anywhere.
That is splendid. Now all I have to do for my friends who keep bugging me and want to taste your amazing wache is just to send them your address. That is very good, Mama Candy.
That's good, my daughter.
And I have great news for you.
Mama.
Hello. What a pleasant surprise.
Surprise is the word.
Hello.
Miranda, how are you?
I'm fine.
My sister.
Kokui, you missed me this morning.
Oh, yes.
Kofi took very good care of me.
And then also, you know,
You've enjoyed Kofi's charms, eh? Anyway.
Darling.
Yes, honey.
Ladies.
hi, Mr. Lover.
Kofi, don't look so frightened. Kokui has been telling me how well you took care of her in my absence.
Yes. We had a very creative meeting.
Yes, creative.
Yeah. There was a lot of wild ideas flying about. I guess that's what we call creative, right?
Yes, and then you also tried to...
Oh. I'm so sorry.
Forgive me.
That must have hurt.
I don't know what happened to my food. Please forgive me.
Yeah.
Miranda, sorry.
Go and sit down. Sit down and take off your shoes.
Listen, I must be on my way now. I'm sorry again, okay? I hope it's still hurting. Sorry, I hope it's...
I'll see you. Excuse me, ladies. I have to go and keep shop. Kokui, come when you're ready, okay?
Bye, Yama. I'll see you later.
Mama sweet, I'll see you soon. I'll talk to you later.
You, my daughter. God bless you.
God bless you. So much trust. Yet I keep things from him. He tells me everything. That Kokui and side chick. Pathetic. Like a circus. Come for my man. You ain't got it in you, sister.
Everybody plan to run business. Research it there for
How is that photo of yours? Yes, wonderful.
Thank you.
My daughter,
Yes, ma'am.
you know your mother and I are very good friends. She started that shop just when I started selling wachi here. Now that you've taken over, you have big shoes to fill. Your mother is a fine lady. Tell her I say hi.
Okay.
And you'll be like her.
Yes, ma'am. Let me see. Hey, Miranda. Look, I couldn't bring myself to embarrass him. Eh?
But he did you. Did you see how he was all over his wife and you were there stamping on my feet?
That was your fault. I didn't ask you to be my spokesperson, did I?
Then why did you tell me?
For your knowledge, not to tell, and definitely not to confront them like that.
Okay. So now that I know, what can you do about it?
But wait, why have you taken this matter so seriously? After all, I told you he just attempted.
You know what? Enough of this. Now leave me alone and let me get on with my life.
Oh, Miranda, so won't you come with me to go and see Amma? Eh?
Wait. Are you still going there?
Of course I have to.
Wait. What is your fixation with these guys?
Are you ladies okay?
Yes, Mama.
Yes, ma. Thank you so much for your help, ma. I think we believe you.
Thank you, Mama. See you later.
And don't forget what I told you, my daughter. You are my lady.
Yes, ma'am.
tail between our legs. It's all your fault. But I think that woman knows something.
Exactly. I won't doubt that. She was there.
Where?
When I went to see Amma, Kofi earlier.
Look, enough of this whole Kofi and Amma stuff, okay? Let me be.
Hey, Miranda, so where are you going? So, boy.